Okay, so then welcome back to the channel, guys. Uh, I've made a big decision and need to go sell my Pioneer MIXTRAX that I had in my car in order to buy the unique chip. So keep in mind, I'm not going back. I'm not going to worse things to make a better way. I'm doing it to get some good goodies for the car. I like my sound and stuff, but I'm more about the performance. So I'd like to get some upgrades for my car. So it was a good deal. Got a good penny for it as well, so I sold my Pioneer MIXTRAX. I went out and got one of these Chinese things. I don't know, it's probably Chinese. I've been seeing it all over Facebook and stuff. It's not even a brand name on them. It just says DHS1150UB. Probably just the part number, but it has Bluetooth, aux, USB. It can play from your memory card as well. Yeah, there's a couple of settings as well, your pre-settings. I don't think you can customize your equalizer, but that should be okay. It has MIXTRAX. So it basically has everything that my Pioneer had and a bit more, but obviously the quality is not going to be as good, but we don't know yet. I'm going to unbox it now, and then you can see what's up. Actually, I've been seeing more than, it's this one, the Explode. It just says Explode, not Sony Explode. And then there's one that's also called Element, but I think they're all the same because they all have the same kind of layout, and the display is exactly the same on all of them. So I think they're all from the same, different names, but I'm pretty sure the same manufacturer manufactures all of them. But anyway, let's get to unboxing this thing. Okay, not too bad. Cheers. Okay, let's pull this thing up. The packaging is alright. Oh, this thing is so light. Oh my word. Noise. Anyway, okay, that's everything that's in the box. Just close that up. Okay, so we got a manual over here. We got a remote as well. Pretty cool. I mean, I paid $200 for this thing. So yeah, and the radio. You got the main connector where your remote wire, power, speakers and all those things on. And you got the gadget that you have to remove the tape from your car. Okay, got all of that. So now let's get this padding off. Put that over there. This thing is so light, guys. If you do go out to get one of these, it's super light. You're going to be shocked at the weight of this thing. Anyway, oh, and this one's face doesn't detach, so I can't remove the front display of this thing. It's one fixed unit, but that's okay. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Looks pretty neat. Not too shabby. Buttons feel okay. I'm not gonna lie, these buttons are a bit hard to press. But we got the USB over here. We got aux. We got the memory card, the SD insert as well. We actually got the hands-free thing as well, so get onto your phone calls and all those things on now. Pretty cool. We got two RCA inputs at the back. Got your aerial and where the main cord goes in. Overall, it's not bad from what the eye can see right now. It's a bit light. The build quality is average. So, in my opinion, $200, it's worth it. So I'm gonna go fit this thing in and we're gonna see what it looks like and how it plays in my car. Hey guys, okay. What's up, guys? So this is the tape now in the car. Doesn't look too shabby in the car, so I'm gonna get the power button over here. Looks like when it comes on. It says hi. So yeah, okay. Got a channel there already, so we obviously can't play that. But yeah, we got some equalizer settings. That's bass, I suppose. And we also got treble. And then we got right side, left side. That's where we obviously not setting the speakers up. And then we do have loud mode on and off. Yeah, so that's your settings. Here's your hands-free setting as well for your Bluetooth. This is to select your aux, Bluetooth, and your normal radio. Aux cable over here, I mean USB, and aux under it. So yeah, vehicle goes up to 63. So yeah, as it looks like in the car at the moment right now. Not too shabby at all. So yeah, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.